adjectives of quality and number. In this module, you will identify adjectives of quality and number.
Soon after their game adventure, Sophie and Neil head to the food stalls. The smell and sight of the food make them hungry.
Hey Sophie, can you hear the sizzle of food being fried? Ah, my stomach is gurgling.
Oh yes, Neil. Just look around. It is such a treat. Oh, I cannot wait to eat.
Sophie, these fries are golden, soft and salty, just the way you like them.
Let me try. Yummy! Now let's go to the noodles counter. These noodles are hot and tasty.
They are spicy. I love them.
After finishing the noodles, Sophie and Neil feel their tongue burning. They want to eat something sweet. They head to the sweets counter.
Oh Neil, these candies, chocolates and sweets look so tempting.
Yes, Sophie, there are chocolates in so many shapes, sizes and colors. And then there are some sweet jalebis too. Come, let's buy some.
I'll have 3 chocolates, 2 white and 1 brown.
The white chocolate is very crunchy.
The brown one is very nutty.
I think I'll buy some jalebis too. Please give us 4 pieces of jalebis. Jalebis are so crisp and sweet.
Yes, they are delicious. Oh, what a treat it is, Neil.
Now, let's have a look at the things that Sophie and Neil ate. French fries, noodles, chocolates, jalebis. Do you remember the words that were used to describe them? The French fries were salty, soft, golden and yellow. The noodles were hot, tasty and spicy. The chocolates were white, brown, crunchy and nutty. The jalebis were orange, crisp and sweet. All these describing words are called adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun in different ways. They may tell us of what kind a noun is. For example, salty and soft French fries, hot and spicy noodles, white and crunchy chocolates, orange and crisp jalebis. When an adjective describes the kind of a noun, it is called an adjective of quality. Adjectives of quality tell us the following things about nouns. Shape. Shapes may include oval, square, circular, etc. Size. Sizes may include small, tiny, big, etc. Color. Colors may include pink, blue, green, etc. Weight. Weight may include heavy, light, etc. Taste. Taste may include salty, sweet, bitter, etc. Touch. Touch may include soft, crisp, rough, etc. Sound. Sounds may include loud, musical, thundering, etc. Smell. Smell may include words like stinky, rosy, foul, etc. These adjectives are the adjectives of quality as they tell what kind of noun we are talking about. Some adjectives tell us how many persons or things there are. For example, 3 chocolates, 4 jalebis. Such adjectives are called adjectives of number as they tell us the number of nouns. In other words, when an adjective tells us how many nouns there are, it is an adjective of number. Let us look at some more examples. There are 10 boys in the class. In this sentence, the noun is boys. The adjective 10 tells us the number of boys that are there in the class. It is an adjective of number as it answers the question, how many boys are there? She gave me 5 chocolates. The noun in this sentence is chocolates. The adjective 5 tells us how many chocolates there are, so it is an adjective of number. Let's practice. Say whether the highlighted adjectives are adjectives of quality or number. Now let's recap. Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun in different ways. When an adjective tells us what kind of noun there is, it is an adjective of quality. For example, Priya is a good girl. When an adjective tells us how many persons or things there are, it is an adjective of number. For example, I have 5 books